eFill is a powerful tool that you can use through our mobile app. eFill allows you to scan a QR code to place an order with us quickly, efficiently, and effectively in 3 easy steps. 1. Label. Your sales rep will provide you with custom labels containing a QR code. These labels can be placed on storage bins in your shop or work truck, or printed as a booklet for easy access from your desk. 2. Scan. Launch the mobile app on your smartphone, then tap on the eFill icon to open the scanner. Aim the camera at the QR code to scan the label, edit the quantity if needed, and add to the cart. 3. Order. Click the shopping cart icon. Review your cart to ensure you have all the items you need. If you need to remove an item, simply slide that item to the left. Then choose Ship or Will Call, and tap Checkout. Enter your PO, shipping and payment details, and continue. On this final screen, you can review your order details and select either Request Approval or Place Order.